before you judge me, first thing to do is, first, we have to read our Bible. Do you know that Sabbath is very, very important to us? Do we know that Sabbath is in the Ten Commandments? Do we know that Sabbath has been created from very beginning? Do we know that Yahushua, created heaven and earth for 6 days, but the seventh day he rested? Do we know that we can watch this Sabbath series at thegodculture.com with the blue logo, at Rumble, Odyssey, or YouTube or other platform? Do we know that Sabbath will be a blessing according to Isaiah 58 verse 13 and 14? So let's do it and observe it because it is the end times. So please subscribe at thegodculture.com, click share, of course, and bell, and click all for all uploads. Yeah, bless.